Engineering Eng.
Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to easily and quickly change the color of all border lines of a table prepared in Microsoft PowerPoint program. Normally, when you select a table, you can change the color of any line to a selected color from the Line Color section under the Table Design tab. However, if your table is very detailed and comprehensive, it can be difficult to change all border lines one by one to the desired color by clicking on each line. Therefore, I would like to show you a simple way to do this task easily. For this purpose, I have prepared an example table with all border colors in black. To change all border lines of this table to a different color, we first select a new color from the Table Design tab. Let's say the color is white. With this selection pen, created by selecting the desired color and line thickness, we click on any line on the table to change it to the new color. This is something many of you already know, but from this point on, I want to show you the shortcut that many of you may not know. After that, we click on a blank area outside the table to cancel the selection pen. Then we select the entire table again. The last step is to click on the Borders tab and select all borders to see that all border lines in the table have been changed to the new color. Additionally, I suggest using a dark fill color for the main titles and white color for the text inside them to make them look more elegant. For the lines under the column titles, I suggest making them thick with a line weight of 3 points and keeping the rest of the line thickness with a line weight of 1 point. And in white color again. This will give your table a better look. I hope this helps you with changing the border lines of your table in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for your watching.